Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you. In this video, we will learn how to download and install Windows Server 2019. So we have our physical machine, either it's a desktop, it's a PC, a Mac, a laptop, and then you have some kind of operating system. For example, you have Windows operating system. Then what we did, we installed a virtualization software. We installed VMware Player, or you had the option to go with Oracle VirtualBox. When we had this virtualization software already installed, then we went ahead and we created a virtual machine or like a container with the needed resources to install the operating system. So when the virtual machine is created, now it's time to install the Windows Server operating system on this virtual machine. All right, so where is our virtual machine? Our virtual machine is on VMware Player. So let's go ahead and start our VMware Player. I have already started right here. This is the virtual machine console, VMware Workstation Player 16. And the virtual machine that we created earlier, we named it MySQL Server. So now we need to download and attach the Windows Server 2019 edition, the ISO file, which is a evaluation file. And for that, you could go to your any browser of your choice. I'm going with Firefox. Go to Google or any search engine of your choice and simply type Windows 2019 download. Hit enter and then come down to the second link where it says Windows Server 2019 Microsoft Evaluation Center. Click on this one and it will bring you straight to the page where you could download. So right here it says, please select your Windows Server 2019 download. Now there are different languages that you could pick from. Of course, I'm going with English United States. Click on 64-bit edition. And once you click on it, you will see it starts to download. Now the download can take anywhere from 5 minutes to 10 minutes depending on your network speed. I have already downloaded this ISO file to save some time. So the file is downloaded. So let's say if you have downloaded this file on your desktop. All right, so let's go to our VMware Workstation 16 player again, and now click on Edit Virtual Machine Setting. Once you come to the hardware options right here where it says CD/DVD, right here you click on Use ISO image. Now specify where the ISO image is. I have my ISO image on my desktop, which is right here. It's downloaded and selected, and I'm going to click OK and then OK. So now it is attached. Now go ahead and click on this power on or play virtual machine. Both of these options will perform the same functions. As soon as power's on, make sure you hit enter, click inside and hit enter so it picks up the ISO image. Now, if you wanted to get your cursor back, you will notice your cursor is captured inside of the window. If it is captured, just hit Control and Alt, both buttons at the same time. It will release your cursor. Then you can move around the window. All right, so if you wanted to go back inside the window, just simply click inside the window. It says Windows Server 2019, language install, English, time, keyboard, US, everything leave it default if you are in United States, or pick a different region or language if you are in a different part of the world. Click next. Windows Server 2019 installed now. Setup, it's starting. Now there are certain times when I'm going to be fast forwarding the installation. Okay, so right here it says operating system, the options that we wanted to install. Which one do you want to pick? There's a standard edition, the standard evaluation, data center evaluation, and data center evaluation desktop experience. Pick the last one. This option installs a full Windows graphical environment, consuming extra device space. It can be useful if you want to use a Windows desktop or have an app that requires it. Yes, we want that. Click next. Accept the license terms. Next. Okay, which type of installation do you want? There are two options, upgrade and custom. Install Windows and keep file settings and application. The file settings and applications are moved to Windows with this option. This option is only available when a supported version of Windows is already running on this computer. Now, we do not have an already running operating system and we are not doing an upgrade. So we are going with the second option, custom install Windows. All right, so once you select it, it automatically picks your hard disk that you actually carved out for this virtual machine. We picked 50 gig, already selected, beautiful. Click next. All right, status, copying files, getting files ready for installation, 0%, then it's going to go installing features, installing updates, finishing it up. Now, this can take anywhere from 10 minutes to 20 minutes. Again, it depending on your system speed, how fast it is. I am going to fast forward from this point. You could wait or pause the video right now until it finishes, and I will see you when the installation is fully complete. Okay, so now it's time to enter or choose your password. Pick a password that you'll remember. Click finish. All right, your Windows machine is up and ready. You could go ahead and install tools if you get this option. These are the VMware tools that will run in the background. You could go in and click player and you could do send control alt and delete and enter your password. Please wait for the user, apply profile settings. And this completes your Windows Server 2019 installation. Good luck!